for short term, we can say that hi guys, this is Manish from TradingSutra. Welcome to our latest series NiftySutra. So let's see where we are. In the previous video, I have just told that we have to go short in this region, and to go long side, 12,100 level should break and hold. Okay, but if we see carefully, Nifty it didn't give any closing on the weekly candle above 12,100 level. Okay, and for short term, we can say that Nifty gave a closing about 12,100 on this day. Okay, and also these two green candles. But yes, there was a divergence found in the daily chart, and after that we are seeing that daily continuous selling is occurring. Okay, so what will happen? We are again continuing with this idea. This idea is not invalidated till this level. Okay, this high is 12,200 or 12,300 not sustained. Okay, I'm emphasizing on the word not sustain. So this idea continue, and we are again having the potential to move to this zone. Okay, so what should be the strategy? We have to sell Nifty. Okay, and 12,100 zone will act as a resistance. Okay, on any rise we have to create a short position for the downside targets, and below 12,000 it will reach to the level of 11,800. Okay, and then this region 11,700, and then this short-term target 11,500. We will review the idea here. Okay, till then this idea is valid, and yes, we are moving with this idea. So let's see how the Nifty will perform. Let me introduce our network community where we all traders share our views and learn together. Network by TradingSutra. So here what I have just updated this that I have shorted this Nifty December contract. Okay, around 2 weeks ago. Okay, so what happened here? This was a resistance form, but Nifty went above for some time, but I was holding this short. And you can say that this weekly closing above this 12,100 zone. Okay, and I've just updated. I came with an update. Okay, this wedge pattern of the Nifty. If it breaks, the Nifty will start falling. So today we are seeing that this Nifty wedge pattern has been broken. Okay, so I'm updating this idea with the pictures in this community, and for video updates, just be connected for the NiftySutra episodes. Okay, till then, thank you.